A neighborhood tragedy tonight after it appears a piece of heavy construction equipment ran over and killed a child. The scene has been active tonight in the 1000 block of Stella Avenue in Dallas. Our Yona Gavino is there live talking to neighbors and police. Yona?
Matt, this is just absolutely heartbreaking. You can imagine these neighbors are in shock after the news. Take a look right behind me. This is the house where the child lived, and in the yard, the piece of equipment involved in this tragedy. Dallas police. A family member accidentally ran over the 3-year-old child. They were operating a rented backhoe that we can still see in the yard. We don't know why that piece of equipment was in the neighborhood, but neighbors tell me they saw a man crying after the incident. Priscilla Huntes says she saw 2 little boys playing in the yard together as the relative was operating the heavy piece of equipment.
He was working in the yard. I saw him all day in the afternoon. He was back and forth in the little tractor because you could hear the noise. You know, I live right here in the back, and I could hear the noise. It's close to Christmas. Imagine those people.
And police say that the 3-year-old was rushed to the hospital but later died. And right now, police are still investigating at this hour, so no word yet if any charges will be filed. Matt?